We have two triangles, ABC and PQR here. AM is the median from the vertex A to the side BC in this triangle ABC. PN is the median from the vertex B to the side QR in triangle PQR. Now we are also given that the sides AB, BC and the median AM of triangle ABC is equal to the sides PQ, QR and the median PN of triangle PQR. This means AB is equal to PQ, BC is equal to QR and the median AM is equal to the median PN. So this is the information provided to us. Given this, we need to prove that triangle ABM is congruent to triangle PQN. Also, we will have to show that triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR. So let's take up the two triangles ABM and PQN. ABM and PQN. AB of triangle ABM is equal to PQ of triangle PQN is given to us. AM of triangle ABM is equal to PN of triangle PQN is also given to us. Now we need one more information. We know that BC is equal to QR, but BC is not a side of this triangle. Neither is QR a side of this triangle. So we'll use this information to show that two sides of these two triangles are equal. See that here? So we have BC is equal to QR given to us. Now when two things are equal, their halves are also equal. So half of BC will be equal to half of QR. And what is half of BC? Half of BC can be BM or CM. Why? Because AM is the median, which means M is the midpoint of BC. So half of BC is BM or CM. But we'll say BM because we have taken up the triangle ABM. So half of BC is BM. And what about half of QR? Again, because PN is the median, N is the midpoint of QR, which means QN is equal to RN. Half of QR is QN or RN, but we'll use QN because over here we have taken up the triangle PQN. So since we need to show that these two triangles are congruent to each other, half of BC is BM, half of QR is QN. So now BM of this triangle, see here, BM of this triangle is equal to QN of this triangle. So by the SSS congruence criterion, triangle ABM is congruent to triangle PQN. Now next take up the triangles ABC and PQR. So here triangle ABC and triangle PQR. AB of triangle ABC is equal to PQ of triangle PQR is given to us. BC of triangle ABC is equal to QR of triangle PQR is also given to us. Now angle 1 of triangle ABC is equal to angle 2 of triangle PQR. How do we know that? Come back to the figures. See here, angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Yes, because we proved that triangle ABM is congruent to triangle PQN. So now that the triangles are congruent, their corresponding angles are equal. So angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Angle 1 and angle 2 are angles of triangle ABM PQN as well as triangles ABC and PQR. All right. So angle 1 of triangle ABC is equal to angle 2 of triangle PQR, because we proved that these two triangles are congruent and hence their corresponding angles are equal. So now this makes the SAS congruence criterion. Two sides included angle. Two sides included angle. By the SAS congruence criterion, triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR.